back to my channel. So for today's video, I don't really know what direction it's gonna go. I kind of want to do like a fiery kind of sunset kind of, I don't know. I want to use like red and oranges and like golds and blacks and try to make a look with that. So yeah, I don't know what the outcome's gonna be. I've been looking at some pictures for inspiration, so we're gonna see what I come up with. So without further ado, let's get on with this look. I'm gonna be using the Purex Raw Beauty Kristi palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Am I Orange, this orange shade, and I'm taking this on a JS6 brush. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So you're gonna put this right into the crease, and we're gonna start blending outwards. I'm sorry if the camera looks different. My dog got sick, so I had to deal with that. But I'm just gonna keep blending this in, and I'm gonna start winging it out. And I'm going to try to make this as vibrant as I can. You know, winging this out is really hard for me because I don't know how to do it. I just wing it. No, I'm sorry, that was lame. I just try to do my best to wing it out. Next, I'm going to dip in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade, no joke, it's the shade Yellow Shade on like a fluffy brush just like this. This is the Morphe N518 brush, and I'm going to dip right into that, and I'm going to put it right up here and blend it out. So I got a yellow shade, you know. I'm going back in with the Raw Beauty Kristi palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Flavor Town, and I'm taking the JS6 brush again, and I'm going to put that more into the crease. So I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going in with the black shade called Temptress, and I'm using the JS12 brush, and we're going to put this right in this area. I'm taking a smaller brush just like this, a flat brush. This is the JS10 brush, and I'm going in with that black shade so I can get really right in here. I'm kind of creating a wing shape with the black. So next I'm going to take some glitter glue, and I'm going to take the Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to take the shade Prima Drama, it's this gold loose glitter right here, and I'm going to put that glitter right here. And this is the final look. I am wearing the lashes Can't Be Bothered by Purex Raw Beauty Kristi and the lipstick Angelo by Stila. And so yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok. They are both Makeup by Kalia, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!